I reached a boiling point with Bank of America the other day because I realized the weight and the ramifications of their bailout and what it's costing us as a taxpayer and what it's costing us just as a country in the banking industry alone, that their greed and their pirate-like tactics are bringing everyone down with them and they don't care. And they're basically telling us to bend over and take it. Secondly, I received this letter in the mail telling me, regardless of my credit history with the bank, and regardless of how good of a customer I am, and regardless of how much money I have in my accounts, and regardless of what my 10-year relationship has been like with them never missing a payment or never being late, they don't care. My interest rate nearly tripled on my credit cards. So it gets to the point where, as a consumer, what do? We need to speak out. We need to go in force and in numbers down to our branch. We need to tell them, we are not going to take this anymore. You just crossed our line in the sand. We need to go down in numbers and basically take our checking accounts and tell them that we're going to close the damn things and we want nothing to do with this bank anymore, and that we're going to take our money and we're going to go down to a small regional bank. The people who know how to make money, the people who know how to take care of their customers, and they earn it. And we're going to give them our business. And let's see how much power Bank of America has when all of us walk down there next week and take our money out. If 500 people do it, it's not going to matter. If 5 million of us do it, it's going to matter and it's going to sting. And then we as the consumer have the last say. So along with this frustration as a consumer and my outrage and anger towards Bank of America, I began to think of their acronym, BOA, Bank of America. And you know I'm a brand guy, that's what I do for a living. And part of that job is creating logos and brand identities for companies. So I thought BOA really serves Bank of America better to stand for Bend Over America, because they want us to continuously take things their way and they want to continuously steal from us. So I'm introducing a new logo that I think better fits Bank of America. So Bank of America, BOA, here's your new logo. This is for you, from me, your customer Roy. I hope you get the message, and I hope the rest of you out there, the millions of us that are sick and tired of them having their way and taking from us, walk down to your branch, close your accounts, and tell them goodbye.